What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DaVintage Man back at another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 12 Wolf Grays. But before we get too deep into this video, too deep into the review, right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe to the channel, man. We're trying to get to that 25K before the end of the year, man. Help your boy out by liking the videos, sharing the videos with a friend, and that would definitely help the channel grow a lot faster. Also, what I need you guys to do is follow me over on Instagram at DaVintageWorld, man. The link will be in the description box below, as well as the Air Jordan 11 bread giveaway rules. So if you want to win a free pair of Air Jordan 11 breads, check out the giveaway video and check the rules in the description box below. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this review and on feet over these guys, man. So let's get it. All right, first things first, man. We get the original or the OG Air Jordan 12 box. You see the Air Jordan 12s come in this box a lot. It's been a couple different boxes, just like the FIBA 12s came in a different box, but here you have it, brown on top, and of course you got the quality inspired by the greatest player ever over here, man. You already know how it come. Official colorway is white, gem red, and dark gray, and these retail for $190. I use my military discount, so I got these for a little bit under retail, save me a couple of dollars. So yeah, cannot go wrong with that. First things first, man, we're gonna talk about the upper, all white, like tumbled leather across. Of course, you guys already know I hit you guys with a lot of B-roll so you can get a better look at it. Sometimes I feel like the lighting and stuff is not that great when it comes to white shoes, but of course I'm hit you guys with that B-roll, man. But up top, you get a nice all over tumbled leather. The stitching on these are a little crazy. Like, I've seen a couple of reviews already and the stitching looked a little crazy, something I'm not used to seeing. So if you get some crazy stitching on your shoes, don't worry about it. It's still authentic. I guess that's not a way to authenticate your 12s anymore, because this came straight from Nike and the stitching is a lot different. Also right here, you can see that nice chrome hit where you see Jumpman right here. Very nice hit right there. You have that wolf gray or that dark gray right here on the mud guard, man. Very dope, very nice. I like that gray hit, man. I have no 12s with gray on it. I don't think I got a lot of shoes with gray in it, so this was a dope addition to the collection, man. Right here, you throw this on with a lot of fits. Nothing too crazy with the mud guard right here, but definitely that Jumpman right there and that chrome hit is very dope. You also have chrome hits up here on the lace holders right here. You got the Jumpman on the lace holders, of course. You get no extra laces or anything like that, but on the tongue you have the red Jumpman. This is where that gem red hits come from, and you have the 2-3 going down the tongue, of course. And also on the inner of the shoe, of course, you get your regular cardboard shoe tree, and on the insole of the shoe you have a red Jumpman and that like metallic red, and you have a gray insole, man. Check it out. You get that dark gray or wolf gray on the inner as well, so check it out. And even on the inside of the tongue. Checking out the back of the shoe, the heels, you got the 2-3 down there, and of course you got Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and you also have the white Jumpman up there surrounded by that red hit. You have another chrome hit right here, and you have the same dark gray, wolf gray, whatever gray you want to call it, of leather right here on top of the midsole. You have an all gray midsole right here leading to the outer of the shoe. You have white paw right here, white paw right here. You have that carbon fiber plate down there in that gray and black. And on the toe of the shoe, you have a red Jumpman, and you have that red 2-3 on the top right there. Checking out the other shoe real quick, same as the left, a nice quality, I would have to say, but like I said in the beginning of the video, the stitching is a little different than what I'm used to seeing, and I'm gonna show you guys B-roll of that. Usually you get like a straight line of stitching, but here they got like double stitching, and it's going across the seam, and it's all weird. So you guys are gonna see in the B-roll. Hopefully some of you guys elaborate on that in the comment section below. All in all, man, I really like this shoe. I love that dark gray hit with the red hits throughout the shoe. Very nice, and I feel like this would go well with a lot of outfits, like I said. And I don't have a lot of gray shoes in my collection, so this was definitely a plus for me to get this shoe. And I was able to get it from the retail, so I had to grab these things. It was another shoe that came out today, which was the Quilted Air Jordan 14s. Nowhere around San Antonio as far as Foot Locker got them. I checked Champs, nobody had it. So I'm gonna check out Shoe Palace, I'm gonna check out Foot Action to see if they got these Quilted Air Jordan 14s, because I definitely want to do a review for you guys on the channel. So you guys stay tuned for that and hit that notification bell for your boy. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you went after these Air Jordan 12 dark grays. As y'all do know, they did sell out on the SNKRS app. I thought it was like a fake, sellout that Nike usually do, but I checked the SNKRS app just now and they're still sold out. They did it with the Air Jordan 14 Quilted, but sizes popped up a couple of minutes after they said it's sold out. So you never know with Nike, they always do like that fake sellout stuff. These right here did sell out. And even when I went to Foot Locker, they told me they were selling a lot of pairs of these 12s. So let me know right now in the comment section below if you were able to cop. Thank you guys for tuning in to this review. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell for your boy, because I have another video for you guys. Check it out right here. Got another package. I'm going to be doing another review and on feet for you guys. If you check the community post on the channel, you should already know what these are. So I'm gonna save it for the next video. Make sure you guys have the notification bell lit for your boy so you don't miss out. Like I said, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DaVintageWorld. The link will be in the description box below. take advantage of the Air Jordan 11 bread giveaway. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. You want to grind a 25K before the end of the year. Help your boy out. Like the video, comment under the videos, all that helps. Give me some feedback in the comment section below as well. And the main question for this video is, did you cop the Air Jordan 12 dark grays? I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into the on feet over these Air Jordan 12 dark grays, man. Let's get it.